Hey everyone,
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest economic developments. What's happening with inflation, interest rates, and global markets, and how is all of this impacting everyday life? Whether you're an investor, a student, or just trying to make sense of the headlines, this video has got you covered. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about inflation. Over the past year, inflation has been a hot topic for governments, businesses, and consumers alike. While some regions have seen a cooling off, others continue to battle rising prices. The most recent data shows that inflation rates in insert country or region have fallen to X, which is up down from last month's Y. So, what does this mean for you? Well, for consumers, it might mean higher prices at the grocery store or at the gas pump. For businesses, it could impact decisions on pricing and wages. And for central banks, it's all about balancing those interest rates to keep inflation in check. Speaking of interest rates, the actions of central banks have been under intense scrutiny lately. Just last week, insert central bank name, for example, Federal Reserve, ECB, Bank of Japan decided to raise lower interest rates by X basis points. The goal here is to either cool down the economy or encourage borrowing and spending. But as we know, these decisions can have ripple effects, influencing everything from mortgage rates to stock market performance. Now let's talk about the global market scene. Trade tensions, supply chain disruptions, and geopolitical events have all played a role in shaping today's market conditions. For example, ongoing issues like mention a recent geopolitical event or trade dispute have created uncertainty, affecting global trade flows and investment decisions. We've seen stock markets in the United States fluctuate. These factors, with investors showing a mix of fear and optimism. So, what should you be watching for in the coming months? Keep an eye on inflation reports, central bank meetings, and major geopolitical developments. These will be key in understanding where the economy is headed next. Are we in for a soft landing or a rough road ahead? Only time will tell, but we'll keep you updated here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on where you think the economy is headed, and we'll see you in the next one.